Look at Annabelle. She's sitting up all by herself. Hi, baby. Annabelle, you see Mommy? Oh, you see Mommy? Annabelle, Micah's watching you. Say hi. Hey. Hi. How long is that going to last? Hi, Precious. Look at you. What a big girl. What a big girl you are. You're so precious, Angel. So precious, Angel. Micah, you see your twin sister? She's beating you. Oh. Oh. Oof. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Ow, 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 ow. That can really hurt her eyeball. Don't hurt her eyeball, please. Hi. Hi. What's happening now? Now what's happening? Oh, yeah. Now what are y'all doing? Just playing around on the floor? Okay, let's see if she's going to roll. One of your ponytails came out. Annabelle, look at Mommy. Your ponytail came out. You think that's funny? Hi. Oh, you got your baby. You're going to throw her around? Okay. Isn't that fun? You see, babies. Mommy loves them. It's true. Micah, say hey. Say hey. Micah, say hey. Annabelle, are you going to say hey? Like, Mommy got her toes done yesterday. You want to see? Oh. Toes and toes. Toes. You want Mommy to get on the floor? Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing? Are we playing? Huh? Mommy can sit up. Yes, she can. Hey! Who's so precious? Micah, say hey. Say hey. Say hey, Mommy. Oh, you're scooting yourself back. That's something. Oh, sweet babies holding hands. Where are you going? Where are you going? Don't pull the hair. Oh, Micah, not in the face. What are you doing? Poor baby. You already got one ponytail out. Are you trying to get the other one? Where are you going? Huh? Annabelle. Annabelle, get back over here. Go on the couch. What are you doing, Bridget? Oh my goodness, you're so funny. Do you see her? She's taking off without you. Abby. Mommy's gonna Are you ticklish on your beaches? Annabelle. back to mommy. Let's get back on the blankets. Hey. Micah. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey, how you doing? How you doing? What is that you are doing? I'm trying to scoot back. Annabelle, come back to mommy. There she is, Annabelle. Mommy's gonna she's kicking me in that heart. I'm gonna He's so funny. Look at that hair. What happened? Oh my goodness. That's funny. Poor baby. Oh my goodness. Annabelle, what happened? What happened to your hair, baby? Oh my goodness. You are so funny. It wasn't Pretty Little Ponytails. Well, it was. Oh, you got your ear. You had your ear all pinched up. I missed it. Annabelle. Hey, wild thing. Dun, 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 dun. You make my heart sing. Dun, 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 dun. You make everything groovy. Wild thing. Dun, 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 dun. You make my heart sing. Dun, 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 dun. You make everything groovy. Wild thing. Let go of this camera. Do, 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 do. You make it. Oopsies. Look at your hair. Micah Thomas. Micah, let go of her hair. Oh, oh, oh. I know, it's just sticking out there for you. Micah, stop pulling her hair. Oh, oh, oh. Poor baby's hair. What's the matter? You need your toy. Here, you like this baby because she squeak, squeak, squeak. Here's your squeaky angel. Squeaky, squeak. Oh, sweet baby. Sweet baby. Uh-oh. It's a fight for the angel. You know what? I need to go do dishes. Okay, let's see who can roll over on the angel first. What it looks like you're trying to do. Annabelle. Hola, compadre. ¿Qué pasa? Micah. Say, hola, primo, ¿qué pasa? Or you could do Yogi the Bear. Hey, Micah. Hey, boo-boo. Yogi the Bear. Anybody want a picnic basket? Where's my picnic basket? Hey, boo-boo. Let's get a picnic basket. We lots of yummy food. Okay. You're so cute. Even with your crazy hair. Mommy likes her. Whoop, there she goes. There she goes. Go here, baby. Micah. Micah. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Micah, say okay. Say okay. Say okay. You're a sweet boy. Oh, I know. This is gonna be a really wobbly video. Annabelle, say hi. Say mama. Say mama. 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 Say mama. Mama. I bet y'all about time ready for your bottle. Okay, say I love you. Oh my God. Oh dear, that was some bird. That was some kind of bird, wasn't it? Hi, CP. Hi. Say mama. Say mama. Here. Oh my goodness, where are you gonna go now? Where's he going? Where's he going? Oh, there she goes. She's a roller and a shaker. The mama. The mama. Oh, boof. Look at you. Look at you. Where are you gonna go like that? I'd rather you be on the blankets. The mama. Oh, I've got a heart, Precious.